Hi, it's Jamie from Currys, and today I'm going to show you how to get up and running with this fun and exciting gel blaster. So opening up the box, you get your Gel Blaster Surge, 10,000 gellets, safety glasses, 2 barrels and a changing tool, a hopper, a USB Type-C charger, and also a user manual. Now to set up, you just follow these steps. You put the gel blaster on charge, 45 minutes of charge, that will give you 4 hours of play. You remove the film seal from the hopper. You attach it to the gel blaster by screwing it on. It is best to hold the gel blaster upside down for this, just to avoid all of your gellets falling out, which you definitely don't want. You attach the correct barrel. The orange is best for indoor use, which fires gellets at 90 feet per second, and the white you would want to use for outdoor use, which fires them up to 170 feet per second, and it will actually fire the gellets up to 100 feet, which is around half a football pitch. Now that your gel blaster is fully charged, you're ready to go, but before you fire, you must put your safety goggles on. So there are 2 modes for firing, single fire and multi-burst. As mentioned, there are 2 barrels with different strengths. However, when a gellet hits you, it kind of feels similar to an elastic band ping, so it doesn't really hurt. What's also great about the Gel Blaster gellets is that they're water-based beads that break down once blasted, so they're not going to leave any marks on your clothes or anything they contact actually. So you can have all the adrenaline-filled fun that you want without any of the mess to clean up afterwards. When you've used all your hydrated gellets, it's easy to create some more by simply putting them into a 1-gallon bucket, filling the bucket with water until it's full, waiting 2 hours for them to hydrate, and then straining the water when they're ready to use, and then you're just back up and running. If you'd like to know more info about this gel blaster, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.